How to sign in to your Origin account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Origin login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one, Electronic Arts homepage. Open it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now at the top, you will see this icon. Click on it. You will get two options, sign in or create account. Click on the option of sign in. Please note that Origin account website has been permanently changed to EA account. Now from here you can easily get access to your Origin account. All you have to do is fill this. You can use these options to log into your account, or also you can directly enter your phone or email address. For this video, I'm gonna use phone or email and password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and just with that you will be logged into your Origin account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Origin account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and register for your EA account. Well, this is how you can easily log into your Origin account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.